The news in detail. The United Democratic Party has won the adjourned election to Sohiong Assembly. The UDP candidate Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdor Thaba defeated his nearest National People's Party rival Samlin Malngyang by a margin of 3,422 votes. The winning UDP candidate polled 16,679 votes against 13,257 votes polled by the NPP candidate. Altogether, 6 candidates were in the fray. Earlier, the election to Sohiong was countermanded following sudden demise of UDP candidate HDR Lingdor, who passed away on February 20th. The winner, Sinshar, is a relative to HDR Lingdor. Spelling out his priorities, the newly elected legislator said that upgradation of all the educational institutions will get topmost priority.
Kilawan hidaka mensim to jingit kika niru ka strong message ba hapo Sohiong wajuan da buat pisah thiet yu pajba da jingit ngati ngalong ba I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like main campaign subject jungi po campaign kan kito mga kumakwa tumo mga